I mean, you're pretty excited? Oh. You don't have too long. It's raining. You're going to have to get back in, Coda. You got to drive it back up under the couch. The porch, I mean.
Let me drive, Coda.
Now, hold on. It's his first day. You guys have a whole week off.
Hurry, it's starting to rain. Press that gas. Turn us around.
Come back. Come back.
We're trying.
Okay.
Hold down.
He's spinning out a little bit. Go ahead. Hit a catch. Oh.
Wait, car.
Hold on. Get you up. There you go.
Turn, turn, turn. You hold it down. No, turn. Now get straight. Okay. Stop.
Oh, I'm just kidding.
Stop. Stop. No, no, turn, turn. Go, don't. Turn that way. Keep turning. It's gonna rain.
Yeah, it's starting to rain. Not too sharp, not too sharp. Okay, very good.
Alright.
You did super.
It's fun.
Wow.
What was that? Do that again, Coda. Do that. No, not that. Do the yay!
Is it-
Coda, can I try driving it?
Let's wait till it clears up the weather, okay?
Come on. Wait, Nina, can you help me set